So today I will share how to make crisscross text effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So for this example, I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and as the theme is football, so I have already renamed it. And first I will change the canvas background as black color, and then I will go to text. I will choose a layer, and here I will write football. Okay, and after that I will change the font to impact, and after that the font size will be 174. Okay, and after that the letter spacing will be 37. Okay, and just paste it in the middle. So after that I will duplicate it, I will place it here, and after that go to effects, go to hollow, and after that change the font color to green. Let's choose a lighter green here, and this will be okay. And after that I will go to effects and I will decrease the thickness a bit, so 35 will be better. And after that I will just remove this background, and after that I will just select layer, go to layer, show layers, and select this one and change the color to black. Okay, like this. And after that click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and click on transparent background and click on download now. Okay, now duplicate this page and remove the above layer, which is the hollow part, and after that I will change it again to black color, and the text will be in white color. Okay, and after that I will just re-upload the text which I just created here, and with the main text I will select, go to layer and send to back, so that I can get this text layer. And after that I will go to apps, and here I will write skew, and I will choose this first tab here. And as you can see I have selected this layer, so it is auto selected here, and I will not touch this horizontal screw, and I will work only on this vertical screw, and here I will change it to -20. Okay, like this, and click on add to design. So now this layer is not required, and I will remove it, and I will select this one, just crop the upper and the lower part, and after that let's make it bigger. Okay, so it is covered here, as you can see, like this. And after that I will just duplicate it, paste it in the same layer, and duplicate it and crop it till here for this one, and crop it for the other part like this. Okay, and after that select this layer, go to layer, send to back. Okay, and after that I will go to text again, and go to add a heading again, and here I will write mascot, but this time I will change it to green color, which is the same green as this layer. Let's select it again. Okay, and I will change the font to sports world, this one. Okay, and after that I will click on L to activate a line, and I will select the stroke weight as 10. Okay, and I will just place it here, and after that extend it till here, and after that I will just duplicate it and place another time here, and I will just make it smaller, and adjust it with the arrow keys in the keyboard. Okay, and after that I will select the upper layer and change the color to the same green color, and after that I will place it in the above layer and make it bigger like this. And after that I will go to R, select R and change it to the black color and rotate it to the same angle of this football text, which is the Q1, and like place it right here and right click it, go to layer, show layers, and select this one and both the lines and just move it just below this mascot layer. Okay, like this. Okay, one thing I have to do, which is that I have to select these three again and move it just below this football layer, and select this ball layer and move it above the football layer, sorry, like this. Okay, and now as you can see a slanting effect is created here, and now I will go to elements and here I will write American football icon. Okay, and I will go to see all here in graphics and I will use this one. Okay, and I will just keep it here and I will just maintain it till here, and after that I will change it to white color, and after that I will click on R again to activate another rectangle, and after that I will change it to black. Okay, keep it like this and make it smaller and center it. Okay, so here I will use the jersey number, but we are not putting it here so that we can edit it in the later phase. But to show you one thing, which is that if I remove the background, all the layers are visible and the black layer is visible, it is not transparent. So if you want to change color in the later phase, you can't do that. So to do that, I will keep the black color intact, and after that click on share, click on download and make sure it is in PNG, but this time change this transparent background and untick it and change it to current page, which is the page 2, and click on download. Okay, now click on add page and remove this black color background and re-upload the design. And now when you click on BG remover, all the layers which are with the black color is not visible, but when you click on black layer it will be visible, and you can just change it to any color you want now. So let me show you with other colors, so you can do any color. You can see, just you have to keep it in mind, don't use this green color or the white layer. Okay, so as you can see it works on every layer now, so I am keeping it in black color. So right now I will just change the jersey number here. So for this I am using the jersey number as 21. Okay, and I will use the same font which I used for mascot, which is Sports World, and I will change it to the same green color which I used here. So this is one, and I will just keep it here and adjust it, and I can just make it slightly bigger and adjust it right here. So this is the design, this is the crisscross effect. Hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it, and please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you, and I'll be meeting you with another tutorial in the next video. Till then, thank you, and keep liking my videos, and please share it with your friends who want to learn new things about Canva. Thank you.